The Food Service Exchange presents.
Hi, I'm Bill Verity, President of Crown Verity. Today we're going to talk about our charcoal grills, our model BM60. These grills were specifically designed for the rental industry and also for caterers. Our cooking grates on our BM60s are a very unique feature. We have cool touch handles on either end, and we use extra reinforcement, as you can see, on our cooking grates so they don't warp. Another nice feature that we have a lip all the way around the perimeter, and what this does, if you're cooking hot dogs or sausages, they will not roll off. Another great feature on our Crown Verity charcoal grills are the removable legs. This makes the product completely portable. They're very easy to transport. A big feature of our removable legs is a pin system, and there's no threads. We do not use threads because they're going to be damaged. It's just a matter of when. This system, it's so easy, so foolproof, secures your legs in properly, and you're good to go. Every unit also features 4 swivel casters. 2 of them are lockable, so once you get your barbecue in place, you can lock it and it's not going to move. We use 2 welded leg supports on every leg. These gussets are here and here, a total of 8 on our charcoal grills, 2 per leg. The purpose of these gussets is to give the receiving cup structural integrity that it's going to receive that leg square and straight every time. One of the options we have available for our charcoal grill is a cover. You can cover your grill when you're not using it if you want to keep it assembled. Meet John Folger, Crown Verity's National Sales Manager. John and I are going to demonstrate the adjustable grates on our BM60 60-inch charcoal grill. Okay, John? They're adjustable to 3 positions. And there we go. Very, very easy. We've turned our BM60 over on its side so you can see the quality construction methods that we used. Every unit has 4 welded channels on the firebox, and the purpose of this is to help prevent warping. It's a very, very portable unit. The legs pop out. The grate comes off, and you can put this in an SUV, a pickup truck. Very, very portable.